All right, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe something that saves your time. So please, over to you.
Time is only thing
Please set the mic according to your mouth. Yes, now.
Time is only thing in our life that is very valuable for us. If we lose money, we can get it back. We can earn it. If we lose reputation, we can build it.
The topic is describe something that saves your time. So please don't talk about money, reputation and all that. Come to the topic. This is all irrelevant. Start about the topic, something that saves your time.
If we waste our time, we cannot get it back. I learned about the importance of time.
Okay, I
do many things.
Yeah.
I do many things to save the times. Once I read in a magazine about the...
I'm sorry, your answer is all irrelevant. You're making some separate sentences which have no link with the topic. Topic is saving time, and sometimes you talk about importance of time. Sometimes you're telling me some quotations about time. This is all useless. You have to talk about something that saves your time. For example, washing machine saves your time. For example, right? On the other hand, if you have a dishwasher at home, it saves your time. If you have a mobile phone, you don't have to go outside, you order on mobile, it saves your time. So you need to talk about something that saves your time. At the moment, your answer is all off the topic, it's irrelevant. So such type of answers will never bring you good bench score, okay? Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do you think it is important to manage time? Okay, thank you so much. थोड़ा effort करें.